Hey everybody, it's Jennifer with Essential Oil Stories, back to create for you the channel I wish I had when I first started using essential oils. Today I am going to show you how you can use doTERRA ginger essential oil in a recipe if you don't have fresh ginger. This is my spice cabinet. I am making Korean ground beef recipe. I've never made this before. Let's see. It calls for a thumb-sized ginger, peeled and finely minced. I don't actually have that. So, I'll show you what I'm going to do. So it also calls for a tablespoon of sesame oil. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a drop of ginger oil. If I can manage just one drop. Okay, if 2 drops comes out, you just get extra ginger. Ginger is very good for digestion. So I just put a drop of ginger essential oil into my toast sesame oil. And then it's going to eventually go into this recipe. I'm also having roasted cauliflower. That's all I have for you. Oh, that's my rice. My Instant Pot makes the best rice. Okay, so just remember, you guys, essential oils are not weird if they work.